So let's now work on the profile and logout section. Okay, means if you click in profile, the profile page should come, and if you log out, then log out. So let's work on that. So for now, like I'm not logged in. So if I not log in, so login will show, and once I log in, I should get this profile and logout section. We are not login, means we are not doing authentication right now. So for testing purpose, what could I do? So on clicking, I should show this link and some link of login and for login page and register page. So for now, like let's do that. Only clicking on this, we will get the profile and logout. So let's do that. So we have to go to navbar and let's start coding go through the block section. So let's see this div. So Control C. I need to do something. So this div is actually will have this absolute class. Because why? What? Because on absolute relative, this div will have relative class, and for relative, like whatever we click and whatever div should come after clicking on that div, it should be an absolute class, so that we can place that div right below this in any position we want. Suppose that this is a div, actually this whole thing is a div. So how we gonna populate here? So for that part we are gonna use the relative and absolute class here. Okay, so for that let's put the position to relative, so that we can put a absolute position on for child div. So what we can do here, for that purpose, for now I'm removing the login link, we will add it later. Okay, so we can remove it. So what we can do here, inside the div we can create one button here actually. So instead of this div, let's make it a button. So let's make it a button. Okay, perfect. We just have to make this color to background color to not color, background to where color background. Yeah, okay, perfect. I also need to actually make the color white. Actually, why it's not coming? So color equal to where color white only, so it should reflect. Okay, nothing is changed. Perfect. So now why I am giving button? Because I want to give a on set. We will give a on click action. So on click, that's why I created the button. So on click we can do here set or we can name it anything, toggle. Let's suppose name it a toggle, maybe profile, or we can do let's do it info, toggle info visibility. So you can use one use state here, use state. Yeah, we can use the props here. That's what I'm thinking. And let's import this now. Perfect. So what we can do here, let's suppose user div. So what we have designed here, the function name toggle visibility. Let's design this function here. So what we can do now, we will just set initially it will be false. So on clicking I will set user div to whatever the initial div value, uh, the reverse of that, so it will toggle this value. So once, and we will check this condition, and once this condition is satisfied, we will render that div. Okay, now we will do that. So we want this to be in the super class of this, so we can do like this. It's already a super class, so inside a button we can put the div here, and we can put the div according to that container. Okay, let's try that, otherwise we'll remove it. So how can we do that? So if user div then render. Okay, we can directly render it, or we can reuse that. I'm thinking of reusing that, because in admin side also we will have this. So once we can do what we can do, let's not do that. Okay, we don't need to do that. What we can do, if div is available, user div, then do this. User profile, let's name it profile only. So this will have the parent class this, which is set to absolute, and this will have something like that. So what we can do here, we can write hi. Let's see how it's coming first. So on clicking, yeah, see that hi is coming here. So we will just make it relative to this container, so that it should come below here. Okay, see, on clicking it's going, in clicking it's coming. So we'll do that. So let's do something. Let's firstly give it some class inside this only. Yeah, better to use this here only. We can first provide some color there to identify this div and box. So let's use this color. What we can name this? Dropdown. Color Dropdown. Let's use this color. Yeah, so let's give it a background first, and let's give it a position to absolute. Let's see how it look. So this is coming. Okay, nothing is there inside this, that's why not showing. We will have two links, so let's do the design dash link first. You can use ul, so li will be 2. So first will be profile, second will be logout. Okay, so it is coming. Yeah, you see this. So now we haven't given position, so that's why it's coming that. That's why, but we'll fix this. So we can do here, we can give it a box shadow to look beautiful. Box shadow to, I found this value useful here. So yeah, it should have the box shadow, but let's now place it. Let's put it in a top left. So for now it is coming this way. So this container top, we can put something and below. Okay, top right maybe. From the top, let's give it 1 rem maybe. Let's see how it's coming. Okay, little bit lesser, I guess. 1 rem is not that much. 4 rem. Okay, too much below. So let's try some values. Okay, it's coming too much below. So you can do 3 rem. Let's see. Okay, 3 rem is great, I guess. Yeah, is it? Or 2.5 maybe. 2.5. Let's see. Yeah, now it's great. Yeah, perfect. And let's give it a left 0. So it should be on left side. Okay, perfect. That is what we wanted. Let's give it a width of 10 rem. And what we can do here, let's give it a z index so that it should be visible. Let's give it 10. What we can do here, like this is coming this way, let's let's try to give it a padding 1 rem. Let's see what happened. Okay, nice. Okay, it's coming this way only. I should not give padding to here actually. Now why the user profile is central and is it present already? No. Why it's doing that? And let's try to do with this. So we can give padding here only. Yeah, let's give it a class name user Dropdown contain. So let's give it padding 1 rem. Let's see now. Okay, great, that's what I wanted. Let's make it a display flex and color. Let's give it color here only. Where okay, perfect. So display flex direction to column and little bit darker maybe, and font weight to bold. Okay, not that bold. Let's give it 600. Okay, perfect. So it's clickable. So what we can do now, for both the li we can give it a border bottom. Is it? And first of all, why it's coming like this way? White aligned or center aligned? Let's give it separation between them. Let's give it a gap of 0.25 rem. Okay. Let's give the class for allies, both the allies. So we can give it like drop down list. Let's keep some class. So you can give it as maybe border bottom 1 pixel solid, where little bit darker. The gray is present or not? It's not present. Let's give it a variant and use this color. Yeah, little bit. And one more color I want to add, like color drop down. Color drop down maybe background. Let's keep it this color. Okay, so let's use this color for first. Give it a border bottom. Why it's not coming? Okay, let's see the borders. It is looking great, not that bad. Let's give it the hover effect. bracket background color will be not background, let's give it background, where yeah, let's use this. Let's see now. Okay, I should replace this with this only. Yeah, let's use this. Okay, now it's looking great. Yeah, but still I'm not convinced why it's coming like this way. Maybe I should remove this. I don't need border. Little bit darker color, I think I should use. It's already present here, so little bit darker. Let's see. Let's see now. No, I'm completely doing it randomly. Okay, now it's great. Yeah, perfect. We can go to profile, we can go to logout. Okay, so let's give now one click action and see that the event is coming or not. So one click on this action. Okay, now it's looking great. You can see the user profile and maybe log out. Okay, let's go to profile page now. Let's now start working on profile page. So what do we have here? Yeah, let's link this link. So link to, so we'll create this pro page, user profile. So let's create this page now. It should be in our users only. Yeah, we will have more than user profiles. Create this user pages. Let's create a folder here. So inside this folder we will have user profile page .jsx rfc. So I've designed this. So let's create our link also. Let's create here itself. Let's use the same thing, otherwise we don't want to miss it. Okay, and instead of cart page we will have user profile page. Okay, let's see it's working or not. Okay, perfect. We are into the profile page. I think it's great. So if you want to profile, you can have the padding but little bit lesser, 0.1 maybe. It will one was, let's give it like this. We need from top to bottom we need this. So from top and bottom let's give it 0.25 rem, from left to right 0.1 rem. Okay, a little bit bigger. And why the text line is center? Right, earlier it was looking. Let's not do anything with this. Oh, sorry. Okay, it's perfect. Or you can see this to drop down list maybe. Let's see how it's performed. Too much. Let's try to give it here. So I'm just experimenting and seeing that which is better. I don't think it's going to affect anything. Yeah, it will increase just these things. So it was in best position. Yeah, this is the only way I think I'm liking it. So let let put it only, and for each container it should have some padding, not padding but margin 0.25 rem. I don't like the margin also. It should be visually appealing. Let's choose background color to be color Dropdown background to be a little bit more. Let's see now. It's nearly invisible now. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay, yeah, perfect. Little bit but not too much visible. Okay, let's give it a border here also, not border, sorry, padding 0.525 first give. Let's see. Yeah, I think now it's great, more great. So yeah, so let's design this page now. So if you see this, you will have two things here: the user update profile and the orders. So let's do that. So let's start with container. User profile container, and it should have two div. One will be user profile content, profile update, and other div will be user order, user profile order, because we will have order also somewhere else. So, and this part will have the form, same form. So it will have first h1, my profile, and we will use the exactly same that we're providing in register container, if you remember. So I will going to use that. So whatever is there, we'll just use this form again. Everything will be same. Let's see, I'm not breaking any CSS. Okay, it's huge. Don't worry, we'll give it a div and yeah, it will work. But yeah, still my profile should be, this should be h2. h1 is too much big. What is that? And one more thing, we need to change the bottom here to register to update. Okay, don't worry, it will we will fix it. And next part will be the table. So it will have t head, and t body. So in a t head we will have t. So inside the t head we will have the tr, and inside that we will have t head. How many we need? If you see this, how many we need? 1 2 3 4 5, and last one remain. 1 2 3 4 5. So into 5, and the first one is id. Second one is, and let's make the fifth one remain same. So there is something wrong with the register container. Let's see, form this. Okay, nothing we have given. So let's now give the t body. T body will have Let's make it tr to maybe, let's give it a 3 only for visual purpose. 4, maybe 3, yeah. So inside this tier we will have th, not th, td actually, table data. I will just fill some random data. So I will just fill some random data like td, and it will be 5 only now. So let's try this only, td into 5. So first one is id, so let's give it 1, and let's copy the things that given here only, something. Let's give it a bottom, class, ptn cart, and it will be delivered details. So let's copy this for all the remaining TRs. Let's change some values. So let's make it to make it for different in visual only. Okay, let's see now. Okay, we have this data, perfect. Now we need to provide the grid property and just display them grid. And one more thing I need to do before that, my orders, it will be h2 again. So, and this will be, let's give it a, for 100% of this container, let's give it 40/60. Let's try that first. So profile container, user, display grid, grid template column. Let's give it a 10% for margin and gap only. So let's make it 35%, 55%. Let's see. Okay, we have finally this. Let's give it a gap, 1 rem, not 1 rem is too much, not too much, but lesser than that. And I hope I'm doing the calculation right also for grid. I don't want to mess this up. Margin, let's give it margin top 0, right 1 rem, bottom 0. This should work, top, bottom, and this. Okay, I'm not convinced, still not convinced. Top also 1 rem, and let's give it 2 rem only, it won't work. Okay, so little bit like this, name, email address, password and everything, we'll update it. Okay, let's give it the bottom some project create only. And now let's give the CSS for this table. So we're going to use different tables, so I'm going to provide it a class actually, that's why there will be so many tables involved. So let's give it a class for user table. So border collapse, so we'll do collapse and we'll give it a width of 100%. So it will cover all the entire grid actually, that's what I wanted. Okay, cool, these buttons are looking nice actually. So let's take this and let's provide for all the th name equal to user table th. What we can do here, we can give some border bottom and make it a padding. Let's give it a padding, padding of 1 rem and text align to center. So everything to the center. Let's see now. Okay, looking good. And for all the th, like we will use this th for everywhere, so for all the th, let's give it a border bottom of 1 pixel solid, where th have this border, nice border. And we want to give it a, if you remember, if you see my original one, we want to give it alternate color actually. So for that purpose, I will use the init class here. So it's pretty simple actually, not that difficult. For t body tr and child odd number, and we will give it a background color of f2 should be great, whatever we provided here, f2. Okay, table background I found this useful. Color f2. So we'll use this. Where, so for nth child it will have this color. Okay, perfect. But yeah, let's give some hover effect. So t body again, t body tr, we'll give it a hover. On hover, background will be this variant. So we will have this little beautiful hover effect. So perfect. Okay, we haven't provided any class for td, that's why it's happening. Scene equal to user table td. All the classes are there. Okay, so we will use here because we need the same class, doesn't matter. Okay, now perfect. Yeah, that's what I'm worrying about. But it's too much big. Let's decrease the 0.8 padding. Yeah, now it's good. So perfect, we have our data and it's looking very nice, pretty nice actually. Yeah, perfect. So we're done with the profile page. Laser space to it. Yeah, it's very state 30%, 60%. Any changes? A little bit smaller. Yeah, perfect. Gaps should be more. Yes, there is too much, or it's looking nice. I don't know. It's looking great. Leave it right there. So we have designed this page. So once we go to card and once we go to profile, we have this page. This is our profile page. So we're done with the user profile page. Now we can commit our changes. Okay, and next we will work on the admin side. Now let's now log out from here. Let's log in as admin. So now we will have the admin. So admin side will design this functionalities we'll have the users. So again it's table only, and this will be same, so it will take not that much time to design it. Okay, and orders. Okay, it's little bit late because there are too many orders now. Okay, so this is the case. Yeah, one more thing I remember, I need to cross. Okay, our icon is not working, so let's choose some color. Which one is looking nice? So imported the image, let's use this image. Import cross from ./.png, and let's use this color for one of the div. Like if it is not delivered, like not paid, then we will cross it. Let's do for this. Let's check this first. Yeah, paid or not, the fourth one. Okay, let's change for this only. Perfect. It's looking great. Nice. We have designed beautifully, and we are more beautiful than the previous one. So we designed this. So now let's commit our changes now, and later we will design all the admin pages. Okay. Done with the user profile page. Perfect. So let's now start working on the admin side. So we're gonna design the same thing. So like we have this profile page and this page, and we're gonna do into same page, exactly same thing for the admin also. So we have designed this. Now let's work on the admin side. So admin side, let me show you. I already shown you. So it will have three things: users, products, and the orders. So user will contain the number of users, and products will contain the number of products, and here we can also create product. So create product will give us to this edit file, and we can update it. So we're going to design this now. Okay, and so you can see that a lot of similar things there. The table is repeated every time, and orders also. So let's now start working on this one by one. So let's first design the user side. So we already will copy some of the things from there. We don't require now. So we're gonna do the same thing here. For this admin, what you can do here, again replace this with bottom, and we will apply the on click. So we're going to copy this same function. We will have first div. So user div, we will create the admin div. Use state snippet. So we will use here admin div. So it will again have false. So we will going to repeat the same function. And one more thing we need to do, we need to change the name of this function. So let's make it admin here. So set admin div. So we're done with this. So here we need three parts. Let's start. So again we're doing this exactly same thing. We'll make it relative and make it absolute here. So inside the same div. So we'll paste exact same thing. We will change here admin div, and we don't need this. We can change it to, and here also admin. So these two will be same, and we need the users here. We got one more, users, products, and orders. So we don't need to visit every time to user profile only. So we will build this URL for admin only. So what we can do, we can go to app.jsx and just create one variable. So here itself, let's do that. 3 more URL we need. 1, 2, 3. First one will be admin / user list. Second one will be product list, and the last one will be admin product and order. So let's create these files quickly. So user list, let's create this users only. User list page .jsx rfc, and we need the product list .jsx. Product list done, and we will do one more is there, order list. So let's use this page now. Here user list, what's wrong with that? Oh man, I have to import manually. Import user, why is not coming? Strange. No idea why it's coming like this. So similarly it will not page come, then product, again it's not coming. Okay, that's why not coming. Again, what happened to this? Okay, it's already imported. It's order list page. Okay, something is wrong today. Now suddenly import statement start coming. Are you serious? Yeah, that is the issue of React that is solved by Next.js. So let's go here. Where I was. So we need to change the list link. User list. Let's see if it is working or not. Okay, users, products, orders. Okay, it's working. So let's design this user page now, and let's first fix this issue of all the CSS we have provided for the user. So same thing we need to provide. Nav admin. So let's provide this thing. Hold on one second. Am I? Okay, one only. Okay, yeah, same. Sorry. Admin profile. Same thing. I think both are exactly same, so let's do one thing. Yeah, this one better. And content also, I think it's same. Now I don't need content. Yeah, let's do same. So it should work now. Okay, perfect. Users, we can go to products and orders. Okay, let's now design this interface. Let's design with user page first. Okay, so everything we have, and we have also some copy paste code. So we'll user list page, and I need the user profile page for now. Okay, so let's see what's the content. So it will have simple h1 tag and the table. I will design the pagination later. Okay, do we have reviews and product only? So we can do here, we can copy paste exactly the same thing. This is entirely thing same, so we'll copy this. Okay, let's close this now. So here inside this we will start, and this will be user list page container. Okay, so it will be similar to this. So user list page container and user profile container. Let's see first what is coming and what changes we need to do. So let's see that. Cross is not defined. Which one? Okay, image. I need to import the image. Okay, we have this page. Now let's change these values. Little bit huge. And do I also have for profile also this use? Okay, we'll need little bit smaller. So let's keep some style. So we're going to copy some style from user profile container. Not much is needed, but yeah, because little bit more margin. Okay, let's fill this field first. ID, name, email, admin. ID, name, id name, email, what else we have, admin and modify, admin and modify. Okay, let's keep some fake data here. Equal to, here we will use the cross symbol, maybe, yeah, admin or not. So here I should use this, where is that cross symbol? And what else we have? We need two more bottom, edit and delete. Let's search dot bottom. What happened to this? Okay, that's why. So what we can do here, and modify, this one is modify only, so we can use two image here. So we can use edit and delete. So we're going to exactly repeat these things. Okay, perfectly coming. Nice. So we're done with the user page. I think for now we can leave it like that. Okay, so same thing we need to do for product. I will copy this and close this, and product, so we can directly paste here. For product, let's see what we can do. So this will contain two things. One for this create product, and rest will same. So you can see rest is same actually. So we can do here, just I want to create this additional create product app. So we can do here like products. I will wrap it in a div. It will be div class product list edit. So my products, we can, what I use here, products, and we can do here one more div plus sign create product. Let's keep some space. Let's see how it's coming. Okay, again I need to borrow. Okay, so create product and this is coming, and what else we need here? We need ID name and price category brand. ID name, price category brand. Name will be suppose, and it will same. So I need to repeat this exact same thing. Let's modify them. It doesn't matter actually, but so let's see now. Perfect. We have all the things. We'll modify them later. Okay, don't worry. For now, just I want to see the data. So it is good. So okay, we need to do one more thing. This is the last thing for product page. That is, give it some so oh sorry, so we can give display flex, justify content, flex end, okay, both will be flex end, space between, let's give it a, okay, now that's the thing I wanted actually. And what is that? Let's make it a bottom. Let's give it a class btn cart. Perfect, nice, pretty damn cool. Okay, let's give this some margin bottom, maybe margin bottom one time, so there's some separation is remain. Okay, perfect. I think we're done with this pretty cool looking page. So we have this page also, and on creating product we will get into the edit product page, which we will design later. And what else we need? Okay, that's it. We need the orders, so it will be same thing at that, but was just a number of fields will change. Okay, the rest will remain same, and some icons will change. Okay, so let's design that also. I'm going to copy again everything. Which type of image we need here? Only cross. And we don't need this now. This div also not required. That's it. So id user date, id user date, total paid delivered details, total paid delivered, we're going to need one more, that is the details. So id1, you can use cross here. This is paid. No, this is a name, date, total, paid. This is for paid, this is for delivered, and we need one more, details. We will use some icons. Let's download this one. Magnifier, import magnifier from dot asset slash magnifier dot png. Let's use this first. Let's see how it's coming. I want to see first this one only, I guess. Yeah, not this now. Edit is not defined. Okay, for cross we have used edit. We need to use cross here, not edit. Let's see where is now. Okay, rest of the thing. Let's edit everything now. And delete is also not there. Okay, we have this. It's not looking good. Yeah, it's not looking good. Let's delete this. We will use info. Yeah, perfect. So let's copy these things. Never mind, they are looking pretty nice. Products, you can go to users, you can search for orders. Perfect. I need to change some ticks also in it, so it will be check. Let's use this check, all the three cases. Perfect. Nice. We have nice looking, but I think this one is more better. Perfect. Now it's good, looking great. Okay, details. Why I use details here? Okay, this should be here, and it will be info. Sorry. Okay, so we have now this nice looking beautiful admin pages. So designed almost all the admin pages, the users, the products, the orders. Okay, so one more thing remains is just this create order page, and we can delete or modify. So what I can do, I will just let it be, and we will add it later actually, or maybe you should add it, because yeah, you can add it. Let's we will add these pages. Okay, modify. What if I do to modify here? Let's go to order details. It will bring us to order page, but for what? For product only here. Okay, it will bring me to product details page. Okay, edit product page. Okay, we need to design this one also. So two things remain, and this nice icon we need, so that we can delete it or not. Okay, so we'll design this thing. Let's commit our changes first. Admin site design, part 1. Perfect. We will do the next remaining parts. Okay, so let's now build let's build the order page. So on edit order, we should display a form to update the order. Okay, and for delete feature, I will implement this later, because it's required some JavaScript and some React side implementation. So I will fix after the API integration or API wiring. So let's now focus on edit user. So let's design this page first. So you're gonna design this page, edit user. So it's an user. So let's do user edit page .jsx rafc. So let's add this. Let's add to app.jsx after order list. So we need one more thing. We need the product ID also. So this list will be dynamic. So let's focus on list. I will copy this. So here I can do admin, user list, admin user slash, let's pass the id and then edit. So we're gonna do that. For this we're gonna use user edit page. So we have this page. Let's close this. Let's go to user list maybe. Yeah, so once on edit, let's link this page to this page only. And for now I will pass only static id, but later we will replace with dynamic product id. Okay, I could have used this file to replace this, but as you already seen that how can do that. I'm not going to waste your time, so just fill with some dummy data to make it work. So for every edit we will use that. So where is that? We have 3 admins. So for I selected every edit. So let's replace this with link. With link, I'm gonna paste again. If you remember, admin slash user slash, I will pass some unique id only. Edit only one id means, I mean to say. So let's see it's working or not. First let's check that link is not defined. Okay, perfect. See the id. So it will come dynamically actually later. For now it will come 1. Okay, don't worry about it. It's just the designing part. So these are linked now. Let's check here. I'm gonna do like we have the user profile page. I'm gonna copy some of the user details here. Okay, so user profile page. Let's go here. Where is that? Okay, this one. Let's do this entire thing. I'm gonna copy. So what was the thing we need to update first? Let's see first that. So we'll name an email only. We can update these only, and we can make them admin. Okay, these 2 things we can do. Password and other things we don't care as a admin. Okay, so let's copy this. I will remove some of the things. Let's place hoop exactly the same. Hope I'm not doing anything wrong. Hope it is single container. It's not. Yeah, okay. So it's only edit user, and what else we need? Name and email address only. That's it. So name and email address. That's it. So where is that ending? It's input only, and we're don't need the passwords. So let's see how it looks here. Perfect. And one more thing we need is admin or not. So input type radio button, radio, and it will be is admin, id to is admin, and that's it, I guess. Let's see. Okay, it's come. I think it should be checkbox, not radio. Okay, perfect. So what we can do here email id or is admin. So after input I can put the label. Inside the label I should put the input. Okay, like this way. So what I can do here, inside the label is admin, and after this input we will push is admin, and we are going to capitalize it. So this way it should come this way. Okay, is admin is coming, as you can see. So let's see why it's coming like this way. It should be inside a container actually. Yeah, user profile container. Let's search this, Control F. So we have to give this to the container actually. So let's delete everything. Dot you edit container. Inside this let's paste this, and for this edit container let's keep some class. Okay, let's see, it should be in. Okay, I need a back button also. Let's make a display flex, align item center, justify content center. Okay, now it's coming the way I wanted. Perfect. So let's give it a width actually also, a width of 100 VH, 100 BW, small. Okay, width doesn't matter. Let's give the height actually. What I'm doing, height equal to 100 VH. Yeah, now it's coming in the middle. That's what I wanted, but 100 VH is taking too much. I don't want unnecessary scroll down, so let's put 90 VH only. Still maybe 80 VH then. Okay, perfect. Let's send it middle now. Yeah, you can put the go back button here also. So what we can do here, so where we have the go back button, if you remember, we have this in product page. So let's open the product page. So we have this written link. So I'm gonna copy this exactly. And it will break some CSS here. Why should, okay, let's make this flex direction to column. So flex direction to column. Okay, perfect. So but we should not make it back to this page. We should change the link here. We should get back to, where is that, not home page, but what is the page name, I'm forgetting. User list page. Yeah, we should revert back to the original page from where it's coming. Perfect. So we have everything aligned. Let's talk about this, why it's coming like this way. So email is admin. Let's give it a class actually. Class name is admin. Check. Okay, perfect. So it's pretty simple. So hope you understand this, guys. It's pretty simple, guys. So we have already done this type of thing, so I'm getting it quicker now. So we can edit email address and name of the user, and we can make them admin. Okay. Okay, perfect. So we're done with this. Let's now design the other things. What we have the product side now. So on creating product and edit product, we will design. So you can see that we have using actually same page for editing a product. We are providing some sample product, and we can, once creating a product, we can update. So once, if suppose the user forget to update it product, it will have the sample data. So same way here. Okay, so let's do that now. For both the links, we will do edit page. We need some CSS here from now. Okay, that's why. So let's copy this. Now close it. So product edit page. Okay, I haven't designed that page. So let's design that page. Product edit page .jsx rfc. Let's link it first before we forget. This is for user only, not for product. Why is coming admin? Usually it should be above this. It should be above this. Yeah, nice looking, more good. So inside this product page, you can paste here. So we will use the same thing. So product. Okay, let's check that link is working or not. Okay, I need to again. Okay, I haven't pasted here. Sorry, I have done this part only. So I need to link it first, and it will come. So we don't need product page now. Again, I mistakenly deleted. I need this CSS actually. I think it's product list only. Should be class name will be product edit container. User list, not user list. It should be product list. Again, I don't need right now. I need this. Silly mistake I've done. And we need to import the link also. So edit product. So let's use this. So we have done with this. So what we need here, let's see what else we need for product edit. Let's go to any of the page, same page. We'll link both them. So name, price, image, choose file, brand. Okay, name, price, and it will be text only. We don't need this now, so I'm gonna copy this. After price, what we have? After price, we have image, choose file. So image will be also text, and it will be image So let's check everything first, it's coming correctly or not. So what else we need to provide here? Okay, name only, not enter your name, so it will be name, then price, and image, and we have this image, and it will be image only. And for one more thing we need again after image we need choose file, so it will be our image file, it is our URL actually. So image file, okay, choose image, maybe file, it will be file, placeholder value nothing. Let's see for now first. Okay, for that I need to connect again. Product list page, I need to copy this URL first. Okay, again I click what I'm doing. So see user list page. So for product list page we have edit option. Let's modify this first. Okay, so we're on right track. Let's do that other things. What we have, the other things branch and price should be number. Okay, we have this, perfect. So we have the edit product also, so it will open if we create product, so it will come to this page again. For update also it should come. So I'm going to copy this where I placed create product button. Where is that create product button? Okay, I'm going to copy again this to edit. Hope I haven't break anything. Perfect. So we have designed with this edit pages also, and for orders we don't need anything, only details. It will take to order page. Let's link this also. So something wrong. Okay, so let's close everything. Let's open user list page and let's open order page. Or we can do here details only now. Okay, we can go here. We need to go to order page only, and with this dynamic name also. So I think order, yeah, order list page. So we're just gonna change this magnifier with the link actually, and it will direct you to order page. So select order only. So let's select which one to select. Magnifier only, that is the detail. Control D, Control D, Control Shift P. So hope everywhere link is updated. Yeah, and it should be. Let's import this first. For now, let it be just for order page. We'll change this later. Orders not defined. Okay, order. So we'll change it later actually, but now I just wanted to complete the client side routing, that's why. So we're done with the admin side actually. We have done everything. We design our user, we can edit user, you can go back, we have designed our product, we can create product, we can go back, we can edit product, go back. We have also designed the orders page, nice beautiful skin, we can click to order page. So we're done with the implementation actually. We have everything we have designed actually. We have the main page, then we have the product page. We can go to cart, add to cart, we can check cart, then checkout page, then payment page, then order placing page, then order page, and as well as we design the profile page. Then we design the logout page. Not designed the logout, we have designed the order page, then we designed the product page, then we designed the orders page, and inside that we have linked also. We have finished the client side routing as well as designing some pages. So apart from that, we have designed also login and register page also. So all the pages are designed now. Now I will start the API building. After this I will get into the Node.js server. I will show you how to set up the Node.js server and start designing the APIs, and we will be using the Postman to check those APIs. Okay, I will use the MongoDB database and Express server. Okay.